Welcome to the divine world of blissful Buddhas, ancient guided meditation techniques. From far ends of Himalayan range country, Tibet. After completing this session, you will feel a lighter soul and a joyous mind. By relieving all your pain, all the sorrows, all the worries, tension, and stress will be flown as if they never existed. Sit in a comfortable position, preferably leg crossed on your yoga mat will be best. Close your eyes and loosen your body. Once settle down completely, then don't move. Just loosen your body. Slowly and slowly start taking a long breath, as long as you can take. Long doesn't mean with any force, yet it should be slowly filling your lungs first, then the abdomen. Hold for a count of 4. Now exhale slowly as possible till you squeeze your abdomen to release all the air from it. Continue taking slower and deeper breaths. Stop thinking and worrying about anything. Just command your brain not to think anything. No thoughts should come. Just a blank mind. Just concentrate on your breaths only. Just relax in the position. Don't move. Stay there. No thought should come. Detach yourself from the outer world. Nothing in the world is as important as this session. Try to keep your concentration in between your eyes. If it tries to shift with any of the thoughts or sounds, just refocus again. Try to see in between your closed eyes. Just concentrate on your breaths only. Let your brain talk to you. Judge your soul, what it says to you. Ask yourself, do you hate someone? Are you jealous of someone? Aren't you able to forgive someone? why you are more angry and sad nowadays. Just go back and see there is a tremendous change in your life, in your nature and behavior in recent times. So, this is the reason for all of it. You're carrying a lot of unwanted files in your mind. Your mind is like a small pen drive. Decide what you want to store into it. These small files of hatred, jealousness, sadness, anger, and fearfulness are actually filling your beautiful mind and soul, and consequently affecting your state of mind, your nature, and your behavior. You see, you're here because something within you is not well, and you must change it for becoming the actual you. Keeping any hard feelings for anyone is not going to solve any problem. In fact, you are troubling yourself only. So, store good vibes, love, affection into your mind and spread joy, happiness, and prosperity into your life and spread the same to the outer world. Relieve all the pressure from your mind. Delete them all. So, now it's time to get rid of all the waste from your mind and soul. Command your brain to delete all the hatred. Just delete all the hatred. All of them, slowly and slowly. Delete them all. You're feeling somewhat relaxed now, but the journey has just begun. Now, command your brain to delete all the jealousness from your mind and soul. Just delete all the jealousness, all of them, slowly and slowly. See them getting deleted, all of them. Feeling more better now? Like this, get rid of all the sadness and anger too. Delete all of them, each exhale, slowly and slowly. See them getting deleted, all of them. Now it's time to forgive all. Yes, all. Life is short. Let it be sweet. Don't waste it. Forgive, forgive, and forgive. everyone out there, no matters what he or she did to you. Just forgive them and forget it. Feeling more better now? One more last step is left. Stay in the position. To recover the wounds of all the negativity you just cleared. With each exhale, command your soul now. Get purified by saying, heal my soul. 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 Feel the calmness within you. Enjoy this state. Just relax in the position. Don't move. Stay there for some more time. Now, open your eyes. You can experience a new world around you. A calmer, happy, and a joyous world.